Value chain analysis is a diagnostic tool which also acts as a catalyst for change. It involves analysing three things. The first is the flow of material from input supply to final consumption. What do each individual businesses do in affecting the product at each stage in the chain? Observing, noting the actions. In an ideal world, product should be pulled, remember, by the consumer through the chain. In sick value chains, product gets pushed. When products get pushed, you get bottlenecks, we call them stocks. You get waste, which you can observe as you analyse the flow of physical product. The second element of value chain analysis is to identify how well information flows from the consumer all the way back to the primary producer. Does information flow timely, effectively to all the links in the chain? The third element of value chain analysis looks at relationships. Remember, trust is the fundamental enabler. So we ask questions of each link in the chain about the relationships they have with their customers and their suppliers. The outcome from a value chain analysis is the identification of improvement projects, things that they can do collectively to make themselves, the value chain, the patient, fitter. Sustainable value chain analysis adds to those three dimensions an environmental lens. What environmental impacts do we see at each link in the chain? There's two benefits to adding that environmental impact to the analysis of the patient. One is, if we become more alert to and responsive to the need to reduce those environmental impacts, we may actually save money, the chain becomes more efficient, and if we can identify which consumers in the world there are that are willing to pay more for products that are more environmentally sustainable, we can add value to that chain. Sustainable value chain analysis gives us an indication of what we need to do and where to achieve one or both of those objectives. If I'm interested in value chain thinking, what do I have to do to get other businesses involved? Of course, the simple answer is talk to them. Talk to companies that you haven't talked to before. Demonstrate to them the benefits. Convince them that there is a different way of doing business.